Welcome everyone, this is Mr. William, and today's lesson is Compute with Scientific Notation. We're in Chapter 1, Lesson 7 of the book. Let's get started. Our objective is I will be able to use the law of exponents to multiply and divide scientific notation. But today, we're going to focus on multiplying. To multiply scientific notation, just follow two steps. First, you multiply the first numbers, and then you add the powers of 10, which is basically the law of exponents. So, for example, if I have 2 times 10 to the power of 2 times 4 times 10 to the power of 3, I'm going to multiply these first two numbers. 2 times 4 would give me 8. And then I'm going to add my exponents. So I'm going to add 2 plus 3. That's going to give me my 5. Let's do a few examples. All right, so I have 2 times 10 to the power of 5 times 6 times 10 to the power of 2. So I'm going to multiply these first numbers, and I'm just going to add my exponents. That's 2 times 6 times 10 to the power of 5 plus 2. So I multiply, and I add. It's going to give me 12 times 10 to the power of 7. My next problem, same procedure. I'm going to multiply my first two numbers, and I'm going to add my exponents. So I have 1 and 5/10 times 8 times 10 to the power of 2 plus 6, which gives me 12 times 10 to the power of 8. Just follow the rules. Problems 3 and problem 4, doesn't matter if you have a decimal, it's the same procedure. 2 and 6/10 times 10 to the third times 1 and 9/10 times 10 to the negative 2, or to the power of negative 2. So I'm going to multiply the first numbers, and I'm going to add the exponents. So I have 2 and 6/10 times 1 and 9/10 times 10 to the power of 3 minus 2. And that gives me 4 and 94/100 times 10 to the power of 1, which is 4 and 94/100 times 10. Either answer is fine. Our next problem, same procedure. When you multiply scientific notation, you multiply the first two numbers and you add the exponents. I have 3 and 9/10 times 2 and 3/10 times 10 to the power of negative 4 plus negative 3. I'm still adding. 3 and 9/10 times 2 and 3/10 is 8 and 97/100 times 10 to the negative 7. So if you're not sure how I got negative 7, a negative 4 plus a negative 3 looks like this. Negative, 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 plus negative 3 looks like this. So they're all negative. So I have a negative 4 plus a negative 3 equals a negative 7. That's how I got my negative 7. All right, so just a quick video, and we're going to have some practice problems for you to work on. Take care and talk to you soon.